What if I told you that small, daily habits could be the key to building real wealth in 2026? It may sound too good to be true, but the truth is, the most successful people didn't get there by luck. They built their wealth by consistently following smart habits every single day. In today's video, we're going to talk about 8 daily habits that can set you on the path to financial success. These are easy to implement and will help you build wealth in a sustainable way. Ready to level up your money game? Let's dive in. 1. Take a daily money minute. Knowing exactly where your money is going is the first and most important step when it comes to saving more. To get started, track every expense, both essential, like rent and utilities, and discretionary, like entertainment and dining out. After that, categorize these expenses so you know exactly what you're spending on. Once you've categorized your expenses, it's time to set limits for each category. For example, you might decide to cut back on dining out or limit shopping trips. These adjustments help you stay within your budget and ensure you're prioritizing savings over unnecessary spending. Why does this work? It helps you control your spending. Once you know where your money is going, you can find areas where you can cut back and start saving. Plus, it gives you a sense of financial empowerment by having a clear picture of your finances. 2. Pay yourself first immediately. One of the most powerful financial habits is to pay yourself first before you pay any bills, before spending on entertainment, and before making any other purchases. The idea here is simple. As soon as your paycheck hits your account, immediately set aside a percentage for savings and investments. Treat this like a bill that must be paid, no exceptions. Using direct deposit or your bank's automation tools can make this process effortless. You won't have to think about it, and it removes the temptation to spend that money elsewhere. The beauty of this habit is that it's like paying your future self. The money you save today is the wealth you'll build tomorrow. Why does this work so well? It forces you to prioritize your long-term financial goals. When you automate this process, you set yourself up for success without relying on willpower or remembering to transfer funds manually. 3. Practice the 24-hour basket rule. We've all been there. You add items to your online shopping cart, and before you know it, you've spent more than you planned. To curb impulse purchases, practice the 24-hour basket rule. When you're tempted to buy something online, leave it in your shopping cart for at least 24 hours before checking out. This simple habit gives you time to think about whether you truly need the item or if it's just a fleeting want. Often, after a day of reflection, you'll find that the desire to buy it fades away. This habit not only saves you money, but helps you distinguish between your needs and your wants. Why is this effective? It helps you control impulse spending, which is one of the biggest obstacles to building wealth. By taking a step back and giving yourself time to reconsider, you make smarter purchasing decisions. Plus, you're saving money that could be better used for investing or building your emergency fund. 4. Invest 30 minutes in high-income skills. If you want to build wealth in 2026, investing in your skills is essential. Dedicating just 30 minutes a day to learning high-income skills like AI prompt engineering, data analysis, or advanced digital marketing can significantly boost your earning potential. Wealthy individuals understand that their earning power is directly linked to their skill set. By improving your expertise in areas that are in high demand, you increase your income potential. Spending just half an hour a day on active learning might not seem like a lot, but over time, it compounds, and you'll see incredible results. Whether it's reading books, taking online courses, or learning from industry experts, dedicating this time every day is a habit that can transform your career and wealth-building prospects. 5. Schedule a morning priority block. Your mornings are one of the most important times of the day. To maximize your productivity and wealth-building potential, schedule a morning priority block. The first 90 minutes of your workday should be dedicated to your most important and challenging tasks. This habit allows you to focus your peak energy and mental clarity on high-leverage tasks that drive long-term growth. By tackling your most demanding work before checking emails or social media, you ensure you're not wasting your prime time on low-value activities. Why does this work? Your brain is most focused and sharp during the first hour or two after waking up. So using this time for deep work sets the tone for the entire day. This habit is crucial for those looking to advance their career or grow their business. By doing the hardest work first, you ensure you're building momentum toward achieving your wealth-building goals. 6. Execute a $0 day. $0 days are a game-changing habit that helps you break the cycle of convenience-based spending. Designate at least 1 or 2 days per week where you spend no money at all. This habit forces you to plan ahead for meals, entertainment, and other activities, ensuring that you don't resort to last-minute spending. A $0 day might seem challenging at first, but it's an eye-opening experience. It encourages you to get creative with your time and resources, and often, you'll realize just how much money you can save by avoiding unnecessary purchases. Why does this work? It helps you break the habit of convenience spending, which can quickly add up over time. The money you don't spend on these days can be saved or invested, bringing you closer to your wealth-building goals. 7. Audit your time versus value output. In 2026, building wealth isn't just about working hard. It's about working smart. To make sure you're using your most valuable resource, time, effectively, perform a quick 5-minute audit every day to assess how you're spending your peak focus hours. Take a moment to ask yourself, am I spending my time on high-value tasks, or am I stuck on low-value, repetitive activities? For example, tasks like manual data entry or basic scheduling are essential, but they don't drive your wealth-building efforts. Instead of letting these tasks eat up your time, automate them using 2026 digital tools or delegate them to a virtual assistant. By doing so, you free up precious hours to focus on what really matters, activities that contribute directly to growth, like AI interaction, data strategy, or creative problem solving. This habit is all about ruthlessly protecting your time for $1,000 per hour tasks, the high-impact, high-income activities that will move the needle in your career or business. When you shift your focus from $10 per hour administrative work to the big-picture strategies, you accelerate your wealth building and make sure that every hour is spent in the most valuable way possible. 8. Limit consumption social media. Social media can be one of the biggest sources of distraction and pressure to keep up with others. To protect your mental clarity and financial well-being, limit your social media use by banning it until after 5 p.m. or until your primary goals for the day are met. This helps prevent the negative effects of status, spending, and comparison traps, where you might feel the urge to buy things you don't need. By limiting your social media consumption, you also free up time to focus on more productive activities that contribute to your wealth-building journey. Instead of scrolling through your feeds, you could be investing time in improving your skills, working on side hustles, or spending time with your family. All things that help build long-term wealth. Why is this effective? It helps you reclaim your time and energy, making it easier to stay focused on what really matters. When you stop comparing yourself to others on social media, you reduce the temptation to make purchases based on external pressures. Instead, you make decisions that are aligned with your own goals and values. There you have it, 8 daily habits that can help you build wealth in 2026. These simple changes, when practiced consistently, can transform your financial life and set you up for long-term success. So, which habit will you start with? Will you begin tracking your spending, dedicating time to learning new skills, or maybe limiting your social media use? Building wealth doesn't happen overnight, but with these daily habits, you're on the right path. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial situation improve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your money and building your wealth. Keep investing in yourself, and the results will follow.